Hey YouTubers, today we're going to do a little target practice at 10 yards. Well, that was at 10 yards. I had 19 shots. 18 hit the paper. And I was shooting pretty fast, so I wasn't really re-aiming between shots. Not too bad. Well, let's go reload, and I'm going to change the CO2 cylinder as well. So whenever you're handling your gun, when you're not shooting, it should be on safety as opposed to fire. So there we go, safety. On the 1910, you press this button with your thumb and it releases the clip. Just like that. Now this will hold 19 rounds, so we're going to fill that up. Now the CO2 cartridge is hidden behind this scale, and all you have to do is pry that up. Now there's a screw on the bottom of the handle right here. If you turn it counterclockwise, it'll release the pressure on this cylinder, and the cylinder will be able to pop out. Now this cylinder isn't completely used up, but once I release the pressure, any air that's still in there will leak out. But it's okay because I'm doing this for the video, and this is a full cylinder here that I'll replace it with. Turn it counterclockwise. You can hear the air coming out of it. Now you only have to change it really when it's empty. So that one's empty. Put that in my pocket. And this is the fresh one. So you just put it in nose first. Drop the butt in. And then you screw that back in. And you might hear a bit of a fizz as soon as it connects. Just like that. And now you can replace the scale. Okay, so now we're going to load up the BBs. This clip features a spring. So you pull the lever down till it clicks down at the bottom. And then you can load the BBs one at a time in that wider opening right there. Now, as I said, this clip will hold 19 rounds, so 19 BBs. There, now that's full. Now once it's full, in order to keep that last BB from falling out of this hole, you have to release this little spring right there. So now you can see that the BBs are compressed. So now what we do is we take this clip and you slide it in with the BBs facing forward. And then it clips right in place. And now it's ready to fire. Now the BBs I use are these copperhead steel BBs. They're 4.5 millimeters in diameter. They're made out of steel and they're covered in copper. And that gives them this nice coppery looking finish. So now we're ready for some more shooting. Oh, I forgot to mention, the single cylinder will fire about 5 clips worth of BBs. So, till next time, it's Muskrat Jim, signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.